I love the way this garlic butter potato came out. The flavor, the aroma. Oh my goodness. Come over to my kitchen, guys. Let's go cooking. This is 4 large potatoes that is already peeled and washed and is cut up in some chunky pieces. Over here I have my pot with boiling water. Before I add the potatoes, I will add about a teaspoon of salt. After adding the potato pieces to the boiling water, I am going to cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I am going to allow it to cook for 7 minutes or until it is partially cooked. We don't want the potato to fully cook. So while the potato is boiling over here, I am going to make my homemade garlic butter. For this, I use 3 tablespoons of butter, and here I have 8 minced garlic. So I have a nice thick pot here that I add the garlic and the butter. I am going to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on low heat. This will allow it to slowly cook, and while it is doing so, we will a nice aroma and a nice flavor will release in the butter that is going to make our potato taste so good. And here I add a teaspoon of rosemary. Rosemary tastes really good on potatoes, so I love to add rosemary to my potatoes recipe. About 7 minutes later, the potato pieces are done, and straight away I throw the hot water from it so that the cooking process will stop because I want the potato to remain solid. Here I have a nice frying pan that is greased, and I'm going to add the potato because I want to have a nice toast look to the potato pieces. And here I am doing this on high heat. So it is about time to flip those potato pieces. We are seeing some nice brown color, which is very good. That's what we are looking for. Some nice little brown toast potato pieces. So this is not a non-stick pot. So I have to carefully to turn those potatoes to avoid any breakage. So I make sure put the spatula under and make sure all the pieces are flipped properly in one pieces. So here I'm seasoning up with some black pepper, onion powder, and a little extra salt just to give it a little extra flavor. So around this time, I am going to add that tasty and delicious garlic butter. Wow, this is such a delicious side dish. Potatoes goes well with any kind of meat. So this can use in whatever dish you like. So to make sure this garlic butter flavor is saturated on all the potato pieces, this is what I'm doing here, just making sure I spread it right through. So our garlic potatoes are finally done. So to garnish it, I am going to add some finely minced chives. And there you go, guys. Our garlic butter potatoes. It was a pleasure making this side dish. This can even eat on its own. I just love the flavor that is coming from it. You should have been in the kitchen to smell all that beautiful aroma that released from the combination of the garlic and the rosemary. It was smelling so good, and each piece of this potato was so flavor rich. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that like button. Share this video to your family also. Thank you so much again for watching. A big shout out to my subscribers and my faithful viewers. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. Bye.